I was walking down the park with my dog Zik, and I saw this little bird hanging from a tree. I think it's a bulbul bird, and it's hanging by a fishing wire. So let's see. I phoned the municipality, and they may send somebody, but maybe I try and climb the tree myself and free this little bird. I tried climbing the tree, but it was not possible. Too many thorns. So I'm walking back home and try and find a big stick to help the bird. I'm back at the park. I found this long stick and some duct tape and some rope. I hope I can help this little bird.
Wow.
So we caught the bird again, and it's absolutely exhausted. It has some wound from the fishing wire. But these nice people are taking the bird home to.
They are taking him home.
תודה רבה לכם.